show, but there are, other parts of the face that can be used in very sensual ways. Of course, I also cook, and I have been known to make the kitchen pretty hot. You know what I mean. Now, I also am able to do some cleaning, around the house. So if you need some cleaning, I might be able to